When was the last time you had an uninterrupted conversation with your family? Not a rush check-in between emails, not a call half heard while your mind was elsewhere, but a moment where work truly disappeared. Global labor data shows that as careers intensify, family time quietly shrinks. Is that trade one we ever consciously agreed to? Losing family connections while climbing the career ladder is not about a single bad choice. It is about a system that slowly normalizes absence. Since the mid-20th century, work has shifted from clear home boundaries to constant availability. Studies from the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development and the International Labour Organization consistently link long working hours with reduced family time. The higher you climb, the more time seems to vanish. In the 1970s and 80s, dual career households became more common, reshaping daily rhythms. By the 1990s, globalization made geographic mobility. Promotions often came with relocations, sometimes across countries. What happens to extended family bonds when distance becomes permanent? Even today, professionals report weaker ties after repeated moves, not from lack of care, but from lack of shared life. Technology promised flexibility, yet it also brought work into the living room. Emails at dinner, messages during birthdays. Research in occupational psychology shows that this constant connection increases emotional distance, even when families live together. Have you ever been physically present, but mentally absent? Then there is the deeper irony. The Harvard study of adult development, which has followed participants for more than 80 years, finds that close relationships predict happiness and health better than income or career success. Dr. Robert Waldinger, the study's director, often notes that wealth and status fade, but relationships linger. Why do we keep chasing what science says matters less? First generation high achievers face another layer. Upward mobility can create cultural and emotional gaps with family members who stayed behind. Success can bring pride, but also guilt and quiet. Many professionals only notice what was lost during illness, aging, or grief. Is ambition worth it if connection erodes? Or can success be redefined to include presence? Where do you draw that line in your own life? Take care of yourselves.